Hello and welcome back again. So today in this video I'm going to show you a very popular street food, that is roll ice cream in Siem Reap. So I'm now in Siem Reap, so you can see how they make the roll ice cream. This is very popular street food near Pub Street and all over Siem Reap. So you can see how they make it. So this is my first time to try this roll ice cream. Before I didn't try it. So if you are coming to Siem Reap, must try this one. Price around $3, so you will see different flavor. I take coconut flavor, so you can see how they make it. This is looking very good, so I make video full of it, so you can see how he is doing his work. So this one must try in Cambodia, I suggest. If you are in Siem Reap, you will find all over this place this one. So this shop located in middle of the Pub Street. You will find this shop. I forget the name, but you will see similar shop near Pub Street, lots of them. So enjoy the video and so now he will make the ice cream roll. You'll see this one looks good. See, he is using a special kind of thing to roll. Check this out, how he is rolling the ice cream. This is looks very good. See, so all of the pieces are rolling. Now it's time to pack. So the ice cream taste was very good. I didn't try it before, so this is my first time. So you can mix some dry fruit and chocolate also from here. You will see they keep it side, so you can mix it if you like. There are 5-6 thing here, so which one you like, you can put it over the ice cream. So I put 3-4 thing to make the ice cream good. So here you also put chocolate over this and other sauce, I think this one. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video, so don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. If you are here in Cambodia, you can meet me, message me on social media. So that's it.